Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be demoing and reviewing the new Anastasia Lash Brag Mascara. I have already been using this for some time and I know how I feel about this. So if you are curious about what this product looks like, how it applies, and what my thoughts are, let's go. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys what the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara looks like. I have already been using this and I actually filmed my first impression for you guys. But while trying to figure out what was happening with my computer, I had to delete it. And it was a short video, so it didn't hurt to delete it. But we're going to zoom you guys in so that you can see how I apply this product. So I'm going to take my Dior 3D Lash Maximizer, which is something that I would normally do, which is why I am choosing to apply it. I have worn this without the primer, and I will tell you that it takes a little bit longer to build up, but you still get this really thick, long lash. I did not know really what to expect from it, but guys, it's good. So this reminds me a little bit of the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. The wand is pretty similar, and it is really just a fantastic formula. For those of you that are looking for length and volume, you are going to love this mascara. The brush also allows you to grip all of your lash hairs. You can feel it combing through your lashes, so it's really going to prevent from getting that really spidery lash effect or that like single lash look. So this is what the packaging looks like. They gave us a little mini version of it, and when I saw it, I really thought, oh cool, they gave us a mini version of the Fenty mascara. And I kept looking at it, I'm like, no. And I'm like, did Anastasia come out with a mascara? Look at this. And then I realized that they did. Guys, this formula is so good. Again, the brush really allows you to comb through your lashes, and you're building the volume or the thickness in your lash as you're coating your lashes. But I have to say that I love it. Look at this. It's kind of weird to see how close I am to the monitor or to the camera. I look up at the viewfinder and I'm like, holy smokes, I'm super zoomed in. Since we're on quarantine, guys, I am really going to force myself to learn how to use my editing software better so that I can give you guys a better quality video. At this point, like, there's no excuse for me not to learn something, being that I'm not really working. Look at this. And I want to improve the quality of my videos, so let me know down below if you guys have any requests for upcoming videos. It's such a good mascara. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to do this other eye. So what I will tell you guys is, because the brush is big, you can easily get this on your lid, but you guys know to let the mascara dry and then, you know, knock it off with a clean spoolie or a Q-tip, and you should be all good. Okay, so we're just going to continue to build this. And then as you guys can see, the more I layer it, it doesn't look clumpy. It doesn't look like you have goopy lashes. I like a clumpy lash because I like that it makes my lashes look thicker, because I keep telling you guys I have long but thin lashes. So this gives you the thickness without giving you the clump, and I have to say that I'm a fan. I have used this on my lower lash lines, but I won't be doing that because the brush is so big that you're going to get it all over your lid the same way that I have on my top lid here. However, I have used this on the lower lash line, and let me tell you guys that it pulls every single little hair and it gives you length. I'm going to be using my trusty Extended Play Giga Black Lash by MAC today. And it's just a safe, smaller brush. Look at those lashes. I love, love, love this mascara, obviously, right? So let me show you guys. This is what the brush looks like. Again, it's very reminiscent of the Better Than Sex mascara. As you guys can see, the wand or the brush has like a curve to it. So it's not just a flat, straight wand. You're having this hourglass figure to the brush, a voluptuous hourglass figure, because as you guys can see, it's not a thin wand. When you use this, it literally grabs every single little hair and it separates. And as you're dragging the brush through the lash, you're getting length. When you wiggle the brush, you get volume. The other thing I've noticed, and I don't know if this is just a flaw in my brush, but the very tip has this spiky end, and it almost looks like right where they cut the piece here, it left like this little jagged corner. But I don't know if it's the flaw or if it's meant to really get into these inner corners, because it works. I've taken advantage of it, and I've really like pulled to separate the lashes, and it does work. This is the kind of brush that I like. I really like these bigger, curvy wands. Now, I know that I've said that it's very reminiscent of the Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm sure that you guys are wondering, well, what's the difference? I like the Better Than Sex mascara. I like the formula. It's a little bit drier. This is not a dry formula. It's not as wet as other brands, like Lancome's mascaras can be a little wet when you first open them. This isn't. This is like that nice medium. So this would be like opening a brand new tube of mascara, letting it sit for a day or two, and then coming back to it and being like, yes, this is like perfection. You're getting instant perfection in this actual mascara. The other thing is that this mascara does not transfer. I've worn it for well over 12 hours. This mascara does not transfer. It does not flake. And I've had this tube now for about 2 weeks, and it's still nice and wet. I'm not getting any kind of dryness or flaking from it. And the packaging, I mean, she did a beautiful job with the packaging. So the Anastasia mascara is called the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. I mean, come on, we can brag about these lashes. And what I really like about this actual product is that it's $25. Anastasia is a well-known, reputable brand. She is up there with some of the higher end brands, and I will tell you guys that her mascara could have easily been $30, but she priced it very fairly, if you ask me. This is going to... The other thing that I want to note about Anastasia as a brand is I get their pro discount. So if you are a working artist, you can apply for their discount, and I believe it's 30% off. She is one of the few brands that will give you a discount on anything that is on her website. So you will automatically get a discount on anything that's limited edition, on new releases, on everything. It is very rare for brands to honor their discount, their pro discount, to all of the items on their websites. For example, MAC gives you their discount after things have been released for 2 to 3 weeks. That's when pros can shop whatever collections are out. In certain collections, like if it's a limited edition release, like a Selena release, or you know, another kind of collaboration, more often than not, you're not getting that discount. And she doesn't do that. She will give you a discount on anything and everything that is accessible on her website. And that's something that I really appreciate. I think it's very considerate and respectful, especially to the working artist. So I don't have any negative experience with her brand. I really do like her items. I have to say she did a beautiful job with this mascara. In her description, it says 2 coats of this will give you lash brag rights. And if you do 3 coats, then you're just going over the top. But as you guys can see, like, this is such a beautiful product. I highly recommend it. I think that if you're somebody that likes a more dramatic lash, you're going to love this. And even if you're somebody that likes more of a natural lash, the fact that the brush combs through all of your lashes and doesn't clump is reason enough for you to try to get these lashes. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know if you've already tried this and what your thoughts are. Like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.